this is the BD 7075. All right, so as mentioned, it has 75 liter capacity, okay, with a 28-inch deck on the front. All right, so this is available in either disc brush or obviously, pad drivers. Where do those go, Richard? So I'm going to put those on for you. So today, like I said, we'll go over the demonstration, the parameters, everything like that. So what we'll do here first, I just want to show you guys what it's like. So obviously in the inside here, we have our recovery tank, okay? So this is where all your dirty water is going to go. You have a filtration system here that does need to be cleaned regularly, okay? And then this is just a float, an automatic shut-off float, just in case if you have a lot of foaming, this ball pushes up here, automatically shuts the machine down, okay? Pretty standard, all right? Then I'm going to open it from here. So on this unit, you have 4 6-volt battery system, okay? Right? So full river AGM batteries, completely maintenance free. All right? So you're going to get around a 4-hour runtime out of this, maybe a little bit longer depending on which setting you use it, which we'll go over, okay? All right, so to the front of the machine, like I said, we have the deck brush itself. There's levers like this on both sides, which I'll show you how to operate. That's just for removing the brushes or the pad drivers, okay? Working our way to the back of the machine, what we have is our sight indicator here. You can also drain the fresh water from here, but this just lets you know how much obviously clean and fresh water you have in the machine. All right, working our way back to the chassis assembly. So this chassis assembly is what puts down your head in the front, and this is actually how you adjust your head pressure. So I'm going to quickly show you here. If I just go down like this, I'm at regular head pressure right now, 68 kilograms. Okay, if I hold it down and lock it into place, now I got my full head pressure. Okay?
What is the full head pressure?
150 pounds.
So it more than doubles it when you...
Yeah. So, okay. And then we come to the back of the machine. Really, really simplistic, easy display system. Okay. We have our water control right here. So your min and your max. So you do control how much water you have. Okay. We have our charging ports, our Anderson plugs right here. So obviously that's to allow you to charge the machine. Okay. Really realistic charge time, if it's fully empty, is going to be about 7 hours. All right. Now, this is what I really, really like about the equipment is the display system. Super, super basic. They've gone to a more basic system, which I've actually enjoyed a lot as for trainings and for operators, because you can't really mess it up. So compared to a lot of the other display systems that we have, it was a lot of digital touch screens. You could change parameters. At the end of the day, we want this to put down water, scrub the floor, and pick it up, right? So what we have here is our forwards and our reverse. Speed control, like I said, this can go up to almost 6 kilometers an hour. So you can control this. Realistically, what I always tell people, kind of start halfway, see how comfortable you are. And then as you're operating it, you can just use your thumb to toggle. Okay? All right, so really simple. On the side of the machine here, we have our drain hose. Okay? When we want to drain a machine like this, you got to remember, machines like this are gravity fed, right? So if you have 75 liters, you want to make sure that you're just pinching this here, bringing it down where you have to go, opening this up now, and then draining it. All right, so really, really cool that way. Okay, on the side here, we do have our freshwater drain with a screen filter that has to be maintained, right? Because of the pH of water that we have in Alberta, you do want to maintain this pretty regularly because you start to get that kind of slimy buildup of water, which I'm sure you get so used to seeing here, right? So you want to make sure that you rinse this out, probably once a week, depending on usage, and just cleaning that filter screen. Okay?
If we pop that off, water would drain out too, hey?
Oh yeah, big time. Yeah, that's your fresh water. Right now, the machine is about just over half full. If I open that up, it would drain.
That would be the quicker way as opposed to the...
Correct. Yeah. So these are really simple. Obviously, Velcro system. You got 3 notches here. Okay? So you just want to line it up as best as you can. Okay? And then we just want to get under each notch. This just holds the pads in place, obviously. So you'll see these little teeth right here. Okay? This is what's going to grip onto the bottom of the chassis, the deck chassis, okay? Really, really simple to put on, really, really simple to put off. Okay, so when you're putting on the brushes or pad drivers, you have to remember this is offsetting. And the reason why it's offsetting is that the pads actually overlap slightly, so you don't have streaking going down the middle. We just want to go under here, line it up, okay, as best as we can, and then just push up. Now, you can actually do it if you line it up properly and you put the head down, it'll grab as well. Now, for the most part, I would just do it by hand because it's a lot faster and more efficient. Okay. So you just want to essentially get lined up here, see where it is, and pop it in just like that. Now, the great thing about these to change it, really simple. So you got your foot lever here, and you got your foot lever here. So if I want to take it off, easy to remove. Now we're ready to start using the machine.
Cool.
Okay. So we're going to come to the back of the machine here. I'm going to adjust my water, and I'm probably going to start halfway just to kind of get an idea of what I want. We're going to turn on the machine. We're going to give it a second for a diagnostics. Okay. Then it's going to give you your display panel here. So it's going to show you that F is for full, E is for empty, right? We're going to put down the squeegee assembly, put down our chassis, engage the trigger, and we'll start scrubbing. So what we want to do is we want to lift our head chassis, we want to turn off our water, and all I want to do is pick up the excess water, okay? So we're going to do this and get all the excess moisture.
After completing our demo, we traveled across the water park to empty the dirty recovery tank into the drain. Using a hose to rinse out debris and buildup from the tank is crucial in maintaining the clean and effectiveness of your floor scrubber. Stay tuned for part 2 of our West Edmonton Mall Water Park series, where we'll dive right into the impressive features of the Karcher BD 5055 Auto Scrubber. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel to never miss a new uploaded content video.